Ever wondered if your favorite business communication tool can keep up with your global ambitions? Today, we're diving into RingCentral and its international capabilities. Let's see if it's the right fit for your growing business. Importance of global communication. In today's interconnected world, seamless communication across borders is essential for businesses of all sizes. A reliable and efficient communication platform can make the difference between success and failure. RingCentral's reputation. RingCentral has established itself as a leading provider of cloud-based communication solutions. But does its reputation hold up when it comes to international operations? Key features and benefits. Global presence and data centers. Discuss RingCentral's network of data centers worldwide, ensuring low latency and high-quality calls, messages, and meetings. International calling and SMS. Highlight RingCentral's affordable international calling rates and SMS capabilities, allowing businesses to connect with customers and colleagues around the globe. Global phone numbers. Explain how businesses can obtain local phone numbers in multiple countries, enhancing their credibility and accessibility. Unified communications. Discuss how RingCentral's unified communications platform integrates various communication channels, including voice, video, messaging, and collaboration tools, into a single interface. Mobile app and desktop integration. Emphasize the convenience of RingCentral's mobile app and desktop integration, enabling users to stay connected from anywhere. Case studies and testimonials. Real-world examples. Share success stories of businesses that have successfully used RingCentral for their international operations. Testimonials. Incorporate testimonials from satisfied customers who have benefited from RingCentral's international features. Addressing potential challenges and limitations. Network quality and connectivity. Discuss potential challenges related to network quality and connectivity in different regions. Regulatory compliance. Address how RingCentral helps businesses comply with international regulations and data privacy laws. Pricing and packages. Provide a breakdown of RingCentral's pricing plans and packages, considering factors like the number of users, features, and international calling minutes. Comparison with competitors. Competitive analysis. Briefly compare RingCentral's international capabilities with other popular communication platforms, highlighting its unique advantages. Recap key points. Summarize the main points discussed in the video, emphasizing RingCentral's suitability for businesses with international operations. Encourage viewers to explore RingCentral's website or contact their sales team to learn more and request a demo. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.